Hi everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Hopefully you will hit that like and subscribe button. On the upper right you'll see a little link that'll lead you to my Etsy shop. Please go down and check that out as well. Excuse me. So today I just want to share with you guys this quick my very first gatefold mini album, and it is so super cute. I added these little rosette trims just to give it a little shabbiness to it. Yeah, so I left this open so that the baby's name could be added there. Of course you can see it's PeterRabbit inspired. So let's get started. The cover, of course, is held down with magnets, and when you open it, this is the way it looks. So on this side I have this cute little pocket, little locket where you could put a little tiny picture. Here I wanted to add a little journaling book so that you can write all your lovely memories, maybe when the baby first smiled or turned over or started to crawl. You could also add little photos. So this is what that looks like, and that is what I added it for. In the first signature, we have this cute little image of PeterRabbit. All the photo mats are matted. And this opens up to the top. On top we have a little envelope where you can add the baby's little hospital bracelet or a locket of hair. And you have a spot to add your picture there. Here goes a little journaling tag, and then this folds down. Here you have another little photo mat, and then here goes another photo mat here. And of course you could add your pictures. You just tuck it in like so. And every signature has its pocket where you have a photo mat. And this closes with a magnet. So that is signature number 1. On the back of that is just a cute little pocket and another little photo mat. And I just love this image of PeterRabbit. I think that is my favorite by far. Here you have 2 little tags, tuck spots. You can tuck pictures there if you like. It also closes with a magnet and it folds down like so. Another little photo mat. And here goes 2 cute little photo mat tags. And enough space to put your picture. And of course, this folds to the side. And you have another tuck spot, journaling spot, another little tag. So that closes like so with the magnet, and of course you have your pocket with your matted photo mat. On the back of this you have another pocket, another photo mat, and there's enough space to add some more stuff, and you could also tuck behind this as well. So here is the next signature, and I wanted to do something different, so I made a removable magnet spot. Here's just a little envelope, and here's a cute little pocket, little paper clip, little photo mat, and this folds down so you have a large spot to add a large photo. You can definitely add more layers here. It would hold because it's a very strong magnet. Then this opens to the side like so. And here you have a little booklet where you can add some more photos. And here goes a very large tag, photo mat, excuse me. And then this opens to the side like so. You have another little photo mat and another photo mat here. And of course you have your pocket with your photo mat on the side. And on the back, you just have a little cute little journaling tag inside a little envelope, and another little journal book that you can add some memories to. And then this is another removable little booklet, journaling tag, another open spot, and this opens to the side, another journaling tag, another journaling tag, and it opens this way. I have two little journaling photo mats here, another little photo mat on the side. This folds up, little photo mat, another photo mat, and on the bottom another photo mat, and then these two cute little photo mats here. So that closes with a magnet, and that holds like that. So that is your center signature. Here I just added some magnets to a pen, added some cute little dangles, and I added the pen because there's so much journaling. You don't want to be looking for a pen when you want to write down a memory. And here goes a cute little pocket, and it says PeterRabbit on the back. You could also tuck something underneath that. And so there you have it, and cute little picture of Peter there. So there you have it. This is my very first Gatefold album. Hope you like it. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.